Hello friends, I dietitian Monica welcomes you in my channel. Today I am going to share a recipe which will improve your immunity to a very high level. Let's start with this recipe. For this we need 1 glass of skim milk or toned milk. Those who want to increase their weight, they can use full cream milk in place of skim milk or toned milk. To this milk we will add half glass of water. We are adding water to the milk so that when we will boil this milk with other things which we are going to add in this recipe will not get harmed and can be easily mixed with this milk very well. So we should give a good boil to water and milk before adding any other thing to this milk. After giving a good boil, we will add to it turmeric. Raw turmeric is the best form of the turmeric. We can use powder turmeric if we don't have raw turmeric. But believe me, raw turmeric will give you the finest result. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and helps to cure many bacterial and viral infections also. We will grate it and peel it, and 1 spoon of it will be in our milk. After this, we will add 2 cardamoms. Elaichi, green elaichi is very beneficial. It gives not only good flavor, good taste to the milk, but it also increase our immunity power to a high extent. Its seeds are really very good. They are anti-inflammatory also and helps us to build up immunity. After this, we will add cloves. Kindly mix the things according to the manner in which I am telling you in this recipe, because gelling of one thing with another gives a different result. We will add cloves to this milk and give it a boil. Cloves is a wonderful spice. It is very good anti-inflammatory also. After this, we will take half inch to 1/4 inch of cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick is very helpful in weight loss also. Those who want to increase their weight can also use it, but to a lesser extent. But it is a really wonderful antioxidant also, and when it mixes with the turmeric and cloves, it gives a very wonderful result. After this, we will add to it black pepper. Try to have finely crushed fresh black pepper. Try to grind it at the same time when you are preparing this milk. After adding all these things, give them a good boil. Black pepper will mix with the turmeric, and turmeric, as we all know, is the best healing agent. Really help to increase our immunity. When we will mix all these things, after that we have to strain it. When we will strain it, after straining, we should add honey or jaggery, whatever is available to you. But according to me, the best option will be jaggery, because jaggery is much higher in iron and potassium content than the other. It gives a wonderful result in increases your blood circulation, your heart problems get decreased, your cholesterol level also get decreased. And after this we will add some nuts to it. Avoid cashew nut in this milk, because cashew nut can increase your cholesterol level. Almonds, raisins, walnut also you can add to it. It is very good for brain also. After adding all these things, your milk is ready to take. Use it for 1 month and see the result. Thank you.